Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be attempting to make a mask. Well, attempting to explain to you how I make a mask, because I've already made like 20 of them. Anyway, I have two pieces of fabric at your disposition, cotton and not light if possible. Take one and fold it. Take your pattern of a half mask and put it on the fold. Then cut the fabric around the pattern. Do it with the other piece of fabric, yada yada, we got the gist, skipping to the rest. Here we go. So, here what you're supposed to do now. You've got one layer, fold in the middle. You are going to sew the edges. I'm showing it with my fingers. Follow my fingers. Sew a bit under the edge for precaution. Don't forget, you've got two edges to sew in both layers. Actually, now might be a good time to tell you you can have 3 layers or more. See? Don't be afraid to go a bit under and against the fold. Do it to the other layer, yada yada, skipping it again. Cut those threads, cut them hard. You don't want to have this little shade wandering around in the interior of a mask. Now, follow me carefully. Turn the layer over and put the exterior against the exterior, the little edge against the other little edge, and the bigger edge against the other bigger edge. You must see the seams you've just made facing you. Really important if you don't want to pass for near to fall. Now with you. Here goes the needle. I like watching it, don't you? Cut the little bastard threads and turn it inside out, like the movie, you know. I love that movie. I cried a bit. Look exactly what I'm doing here. Because I don't have the words in English. An indentation, maybe? Anyway, that's where we'll put the elastic. So leave it open, but leave it clean. And now for the best part. Flatten it! Flatten it with all your willpower. Flatten it like the flat earth society would like to flatten the earth if they ever acknowledge it's not flat. Get the elastic now, darling. Measure the length you'll need. Basically, it's the length from here to here and going over the nose minus the actual length of your mask. Put marks on it in an attempt to put the elastic equally inside the mask. That's as precise as we'll get today. Skipping because I'm so slow? This is not even hetero slow. God, I hope the gay community doesn't deal with me for the slowness. Place the 2 ends of the elastic inside the mask. Sew and repeat on the other side. And now for the touche finale. Sew. Incidentally, it will also flatten your mask, which helps when it comes to wearing it. Those little threads again? Kill it! Kill it with fire! Wait, no, that wouldn't end well. Right, yes sir. Anyway, just cotton. You know, the usual. Ta-da! If you followed my instructions, or even better, follow an actual tutorial, you must know my super cool mask. Don't forget to wash it before first use, leave a comment, and subscribe for whatever I'm doing on the channel. Farewell, warriors!